Hello, my name is Wesley. In this video, I'll be talking about how to use two commands, grant and revoke, to add additional security to your database. So security is prevention of unauthorized access to a database, and what these two commands do is they basically allow you to grant or remove privileges for accessing or altering a database to different users who are connected to the server. So the first command I'll be talking about is the grant command, which is used to give privileges to the user. So it can grant 6 distinct privileges, and these are each effectively just commands that we've covered in the class so far. So you have the select command, which is used to retrieve data from columns, update, which can be used to change data in a table, delete, which can delete data, insert, which adds new data, index to create an index, and then alter to change the actual structure of a table. So when you're using the grant command, it'll follow the following format, which is grant, then the name of the privilege you want to grant from these 6 options on the name of the table that you'd like to grant privileges to username, which is the username of the user that you're granting privileges to. In addition to granting privileges on tables, you can also grant only on specific columns. To do this, you would use the same format as above, but you add one additional section, which is in parentheses. You would put the titles of any columns that you want to specify separated by commas. So it would be grant privilege, column name of the first column, of the second column, etc., on table name to username. And then one other option that you have when using the grant command is to use the all operator and the public role. So the all operator can be used in place of these 6 specific commands up above, and what it will do is just enable all 6 of these for the user that you specified. And then the public role is a role that's automatically applied to every user on a server. So if you use the public role, you will grant this or revoke this privilege from every single user on your server. And so in our example here, we just have grant all on table to public. So this would just grant every single privilege for that table to every user on your server. So then if we want to remove a privilege that we've granted to someone, we can use the revoke command, which uses an almost identical syntax to the grant command. The only difference is that you still write revoke basically in place of grant, and then instead of to the name of the user, it's from the name of the user. But besides that, about everything of using the revoke command is similar to the way you use the grant command. And that will conclude the video.